Welcome to U2 Connect Now. Today, we're unboxing the device that brings high-speed internet to your rural home, the powerful MowiLink 5G850X included with the U2C Home Internet Plan. This is what you'll receive when you sign up for U2C Home, just $49.99. Month, no contracts, no hidden fees. The 5G850X modem features dual-band Wi-Fi 6, sleek design, and blazing speeds up to 1.8 gigabits, perfect for modern rural living. What can you do with U2C Home Internet? Stream in 4 Kelvin with no buffering. Enjoy lag-free online gaming. Work from home without disruptions. Video chat with crystal clear quality. Connect multiple smart home devices with ease. With speeds up to 500 megabits per second, this plan is built for families, gamers, remote workers, and anyone who just wants an internet that works. Setup is a breeze. Plug it in, power it on, and you're connected in minutes. Plus, you get 24/7 support and a 14-day money-back guarantee if it's not the perfect fit. Ready to upgrade your rural internet? U2C Home has your back reliable, fast, and contract-free.